What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. Today we got a special unboxing, guys. We got the Z Fold 8 Ultra. We definitely don't have the Z Fold 8. My hands is too big for that. Seeing the Z Fold 8 is decent. It's cute. It's cute for the people that got the, the hands that wanna have a little passport style foldable. But I'm more of a traditional type fold, guys. Last time I had the actual fold was the Fold 6. So I know this one is a little bit wider, a little bit more thinner. So I'm excited to see how, how the actual build is to really get my hands on it. So let's go ahead and just get straight into the unboxing. So as you can see, guys, not a lot going on here. Black box from Samsung, says Z Fold 8 Ultra. This is a Verizon variant. Not too much going on here. On the bottom of the box and possibly on the back of the box, some information. So I'm not going to actually show y'all that, but we're just going to get this thing out the box. So first and foremost, what we're going to do is just get these little pieces of tape off, No need for the unboxing knife. We got the tabs now. And we're gonna put it right here and just lift up like so. Now, as you can see, guys, I went with the violet colorway, the purple type color. We got Purple Rain on deck. Now, of course, this is a Samsung unboxing, so we're just gonna go ahead, get this out. And what we got here is actual SIM card remover. And we got some paperwork and actually the cable in here. I'm not taking this out. I'm just gonna put it back in the box. I don't need none of this stuff. So here we go, guys. I'm gonna put it on an angle so you can see that Purple Rain. Purple Rain looking real nice. It's the violet type colorway. As you can see, it's kind of raised up, guys. Got that raised up camera section, that 200 megapixel sensor going on back of the fold. So here we go, it comes opened up. So on the front display, we're gonna go ahead and on the inside display, gonna remove this. Now I used the Fold 3, 4, 5, and 6, and it's definitely right now fresh out the box. I'll say right now fresh out the box, guys. It's looking pretty creaseless. It don't look, that crease is almost non-extinct. I heard it pops out a little bit once you start folding it, but they have came quite a way from a guy that didn't get the Z Fold 7. The crease has some snap action, I like how it snaps out like that. Y'all get a look. This thing is super thin, guys. So it's just probably a tad bit thicker than the S26 Ultra. The Z Fold 8 itself is almost tall as the S26 Ultra. It's a little shorter than the S26 Ultra, and I mean the Z Fold 8 Ultra is almost wide as the Ultra also. It's a pretty wide foldable, guys, from that, the slim candy bar style that we had. It's definitely added a little width to it, even though it's still the traditional style. It is a teeny bit wider from what I'm used to. It's a very light device. That's very impressive with the thinness and the actual the width, the thinness, the weight. Very definitely something that you're not gonna, back in the day, folds was kind of heavy and things of that nature, especially if you in bed and fall on your face. But yeah, very impressed by this build, guys. 8 Ultra on that. I got it powered up, put some basic information in. I really got it set up. This is not my setup or nothing. This how it looks coming out the box on the front display. Couple first impressions. I really liked somebody who really thought like the Fold 6 was decent and it was cool. It could have been a little bit wider. I really like this actual little upgrade on the form factor when we get to the Z8 Ultra. It does feel a little bit more wider, just a teeny bit more usual. So definitely cool. I like the bezel around the front of the display. It's pretty cool, nice, not too much bezel. I like the overall thinness of the phone. Now, I'm not sure if that's gonna be if that's gonna actually slow down the fingerprint scanner, because the fingerprint scanner feels really thin. We take the phone, we open it up, and we get to this is the main part. This is what it's about right here. I mean, I know the ratio is very close to a square, but I always like this setup because it's like 2 9x16 or just 2 smartphones put together. So I always like that multitasking, how the Fold basically give you a display and you can multitask one side, one phone, another side, another phone. And I always thought like this inside big screen was cool to customize. Now I will say I did pick this up, guys, because I have very large hands, as you can see, and just the Passport, I felt like my hands would be just very cramped. That Passport style foldable is something that is very, I would say people are excited about it. And people are excited about it because it's definitely something different we haven't seen in a while. We never seen from Samsung, so that's dope. But for me, guys, I would feel like using that front display is not enough length for my hand. Like the actual size of the Passport is probably tall as my 4 fingers put together. So it definitely would be a cramped experience. But definitely can't wait to really get this set up and get to know this device and start making content on this device. I'm gonna be on this device heavy, guys. So we're gonna be Fold 8 Ultra Essential for a little while. If you're not subscribed, make sure you get subscribed. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. I'm out. Peace.